Just get what? What? Go, chef. Go, Chef Harris. Shake what your mama gave you. Don't even play. Oh, what? To the side. I say beat it. Today, chef.
So let's turn Alexa down.
Alexa.
Oh! I got it. What I just learned is how to make milk. I soak these almonds for about 4 hours. Right?
Look how pretty these almonds are.
So they're nice and swollen now.
Yeah.
Right? 4 to 6 hours is really optimal for soaking them. So these are soaked, right? And we're gonna add 3 cups of water, which is 24 ounces of liquid, right? 3 cups of water. Okay, so 3 cups of water. 3 cups of water, 24 ounces. We're gonna turn it off at 24. Alright, we're gonna put this on our blender. Ooh, I love it.
Nice.
Alright, milk time. That's it, guys. That's all you need to make milk.
Really?
Water and soaked walnuts or cashews, depending on which nut you want to use to make your milk. Alright?
Nice.
So we're gonna put the lid on, nice and sealed tight. We're gonna power it on, and now the way to actually create the milk is by letting the blender do its...
You were telling us what we needed to make our own milk. So you mean we can make milk at home ourselves?
Yes, ladies and gentlemen,
Oh,
children of all ages. We can totally make milk at home with just almonds, make milk.
Make milk.
We can totally make milk at home with almonds, cashews, peanuts, you name it. Any nut will give you some sort of milk, but the standard default nut for milk would be almonds.
Nice.
Right?
Okay,
and then
cool.
we're going to cashews. Those are like the 2 staples when it comes to making milk.
Okay.
And then once they're soaked, you know, depending on how thick you want the milk, that's how much liquid you add.
So wait. Let me start from scratch. You soak the almond nuts for 4 to 6 hours.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And after that,
Raw nuts.
Raw
not
nuts.
Toasted.
Not salted. Nothing.
Just plain raw almonds. Soak them 4 to 6 hours.
Okay.
Right? Get rid of the water.
Okay.
You want to wash them off a little bit just so you get rid of any chemicals
impurities,
or anything that's on there that shouldn't be there. Right?
Gotcha.
So by the soaking and washing, you get rid of all that stuff, and then you end up with this awesome.
It's so pretty, guys. Look at it. It's like such a pretty color, yeah.
So we're gonna blend this. Right. You ready?
High
You're
speed.
Gonna go low, medium, and then high, right?
Okay, low. No offense, chef. Of all the cool things you've shown me since I've met you, what, 11 years now? This is probably one of the coolest, top 5. Woo! Because I think a lot of moms, imagine, you know, a new mom who wants to, you know, give her child the milk that she prefers.
Okay, yes. Don't mean to cut you off, but this is very important.
Okay.
So this is called a nut milk bag.
Ah,
right?
Where do you get that from?
I got this from Amazon.
It's called a nut
milk
bag. How much was that?
Very cheap. It was probably like $5.
Perfect.
You know, and this one is 100% organic, biodegradable, nothing fancy, no chemicals, very, very environmentally friendly.
It looks really cool, like a simple,
very simple,
yeah.
You know, but it's all natural, right?
Okay.
And what this will do is obviously it'll strain the milk, right, and it'll keep everything that we don't want in the milk out of the milk.
Chef, if you don't hurry up, my hand's about to break. Okay.
Sorry, man. You know, so I'm gonna pour this in here because I'm being rushed.
We're not on a tripod. Okay, this is like human hand.
My camera person here, you know.
I mean, I'm not trying to complain or anything.
You
it's
know,
just that
totally
my arm is about to.
So get a nice container.
Okay.
You know, something that can hold it. You know, we're gonna just pour it in. Right? It looks beautiful. Right?
I didn't get that good pour. I'm sorry. You just poured it into the bag. I'm sorry.
I just poured it into the bag. That's it.
Okay.
Right?
Oh wait. Let me capture that.
I wish you guys could smell the almond. Like this.
It smells so
it's
good.
Amazing. You know, and right now
You're straining it.
Milk.
This is
Like,
crazy.
that's it. You know, so we have almond milk, and this can refrigerate in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 weeks without going bad. You know, once you're not putting anything dirty into it, like, you know, utensil, you know. And the cool thing about this particular recipe is that there's no waste. You know, once you squeeze out all the milk out of the almonds, what you have left, you can turn into almond flour.
Now we have, oh my gosh, look guys, we have milk. Just like that. Like that was, Eddie, that was like too easy.
I know.
That was way too easy.
That's what happens when you're a professional. Things look very easy, but they really aren't. You know, I'm just saying.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate you teaching us how to make our own milk. Oh my gosh.
I hope you guys enjoy.
That was dope. I love it.
Now, the other part about this is that you can actually flavor the milk, right?
Don't be a chef. Is this an industry secret?
I mean, it's definitely a secret, you know, because...
So maybe they need to come to the restaurant in the future to taste some of our flavored milk. I'm not trying to give all the secrets out here. Guys, I just recorded Chef make milk from scratch. Like, that is so cool. Chef, so what motivated you to do this? Like, what made you want to make milk from scratch?
Well, thanks for asking.
Yeah.
I'm actually taking a vegan class, and part of my prerequisites is that I needed to make milk.
Prerequisite?
Prerequisite.
Prerequisite. I wanted you to say
Ladies and gentlemen,
we've got milk.
we've got almond milk.
Almond
look
milk.
at that.
That's so cool.
Look at that.
Oh, I love it.
Beautiful, and it tastes.
It tastes really good.
Stupendous.
It really does.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Where did we get the almonds from? Trader Joe's?
We did get them from Trader Joe's
I love
for
Trader
$5.99
Joe's.
for
$5.99 a pound.
I'm still looking to see if I can get it cheaper somewhere else.
Yeah, we've checked Amazon, but Trader Joe's right now seems to be the cheapest place you can get
I'm about
almonds.
to go to Publix.
You sure close mine?
I'm gonna see.
Yep, go check it out.
Thank you for joining us.
Come back and see us, guys.
Next time we'll be doing something even cooler.
I love this hairstyle on me, babe. No offense.
We're talking food here, man.
I know. It's just like,
Ma'am.
yeah, I just love it.
You know,
But guys, I love you guys. Come back and see us.
Ciao, Bella.
Mwah.